Wildlife. List of species. Sort the list of species by various criteria. Description of species. Read the detailed description of a species. Insert into mozaBook. Insert the content from the tool into your publication. Let's find out how to use the Wildlife tool. Scroll through the list of species. You can sort the list of species by name or taxonomic classification. You can choose whether you want to sort the list of species by common name, scientific name, or species name. Click on the arrows on the sides of the images to view the next image of the species you have selected or the previous one. Click on these arrows to view an image of the next species on the list or the previous one. Click on this icon if you want to see some basic information and thumbnail images of the species you have selected. Click on these icons to switch between different view modes. Click on this icon to return to list view. Click on this icon to display the filter options. Filter the list of species by school year. Filter species by various criteria. Click here if you want to switch between filtering by habitat or continent. Click here if you want to switch between filtering by taxonomic group or other criteria. You can also search for species by their name. If you are using an interactive board, click here to display the virtual keyboard and enter a word in the search field. Drag and drop the image to insert it into mozaBook. Drag and drop a text to insert it into mozaBook. You can insert the current content into mozaBook as a large icon. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.